Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to post your video, your gameplay with your friends through the Steam community, then this video is for you. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first thing you have to do is open your Steam application and log into your account. So when you are on your account on the Steam application, then you have to do is simply click on your profile name at the top right corner where you can find view my profile option. Simply click on it. Now when you are on your profile section, here you can find on the right side, you can find the videos option here. Simply click on videos. So from here you can find all of your videos that you have posted here. Also here is some filtering that you can find. And from here, if you want to upload a video on Steam or post a video, so you have to do is link your YouTube account. So there is the only way that show up your video gameplay on Steam by linking your YouTube account. So you have to do is simply click on manage video here. Also you can find make public here, select videos you want to take action, so you have to make public. And here you can see no video is actually added here, so you can find all of your video. You have to choose this, and you have to simply make it public, or you can go with friends only or make your private here. Now simply you can go to the YouTube here, and here you can see your videos now on Steam. So share your finest gaming moments with your friends, uploading amazing highlights, insightful reviews, helpful tutorials, and other game inspired greatness created by you. Link your YouTube account to your Steam profile, then select the video you want to add to your profile, share with your Steam friends so they can marvel. Now you have to do is simply click on access your YouTube videos, simply click on this button here. Now you have to sign into that Google account that is associated with your YouTube account. Now when you sign in, then it will just detect that page here. Linking your YouTube account on Steam uses YouTube API service. By using YouTube and linking your YouTube account on your Steam profile, you agree to be bound by YouTube's terms and conditions and the Google privacy policy. So there's more instruction for you. You have to just choose this here. So when you just add your account here, then you can find all the videos in this video section, and you can choose the video and simply you can make it public and post them with some cool caption or description. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.